Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for AVAX or Avalanche. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here from around the 18th of June, so looking at this whole structure from the very lows that we had. We had two ideas here overall. One is bullish, in which we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, having a contracting leading diagonal into a wave 1 or wave E. Then we would be looking for a wave B that should not take out these lows here around $13.7. If that low is taken out and the price goes below it, then this whole bullish idea is gone. Other invalidation areas, there is none. However, if we are looking at this, we could be looking at the minimum as a 0.618 in time before this whole structure of this correction here at least should be done. But again, there is plenty of time for that to be done, and this definitely seems like it is very impulsive to the downside, so these lows are definitely at the risk of getting taken. Now, the more bearish scenario that I have is this one, in which we have this three-way structure into W, 3 waves into X, and then 3 waves into a Y. If we are looking at extension targets here, give or take the measurement errors that I have here, around the 1.236. So it is looking pretty okay. The wave Y here on purple would be getting almost the 1-to-1 extension, not quite. So yeah, is falling just a bit too short on that target. But yeah, to me this looks pretty nice. Also, this last leg in wave Y looks pretty good as is. Since the highs that we were put in place, I've had this scenario being tracked here. Now, the way I track any altcoin is basically through Ethereum and Bitcoin. First, I need to be charting those both, and if they are having some kind of structure that could be transferred over to altcoins and having a similar look, only then I would be looking into shorting or longing altcoins. At the moment, this is the case for sure on many altcoins. So for example, Avalanche is today's topic, so I want to show you this, how I've labeled this. It's very similar to Ethereum, so we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Third wave getting to the 2.236 extension target is definitely not pretty. The subwave structures in here, we would have to have some kind of extended wave 5 here. So this would be the third wave, or this would be third wave or some subwave structure, and we would have this as the wave 3 here, or ending the wave 3 here as a truncation. I don't really like that, so that's why I'm preferring to put the wave 5 or the wave 3 here. So yeah, then we would be getting some kind of sideways correction here for the wave 4, around the 23.6% retracement of this third move, and then we would be looking for downwards once again. Now again, as this third wave is already extended, we don't need to be expecting an extension on the fifth. However, again, with the same as the other or same as Ethereum, we did get some kind of a extended fifth as well here. So there we go. These would be the targets basically. Two of which we have already gone through, so we only have one more left here, and that would be around $16.14 or $16.14. If we are looking closer on this last leg, I've labeled this as a 1, 2, 1, 2 because we are running out of structures here that I could be keeping track of. Before, I did not have this as a 1, 2. I had this as the first 1, 2. And then this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the third, fourth, and then fifth. Now, however, because we had a very low RSI reading here, even on higher time frames, I have to be acknowledging that, okay, it is on higher time the second lowest RSI peak, which generally means that is the third or fifth. So we would be looking for a small pullback here, and then the last leg downwards for this fifth or fifth, getting the divergence between this third and fifth on higher time frame and this third and fifth here. How high this is going to go, I'm not sure. We have some targets here, but again, on other coins like the ETH, we don't have this much of a downfall here. So I'm not expecting us actually getting back to this previous wave 4 here. That would be all the way at 0.5 retracement, so I'm not really expecting that to be the case. Also the wave 1, 2 here is very small, making it a bit less likely to be the case. Is it possible that we have already completed this structure? Of course it is possible. However, I see it as less likely because again the RSI here is the lowest low and we don't really have that clear divergence here between this structure here basically at all. So yeah, that's the reason in there. So one more low, same as in pretty much every altcoin you want to be tracking, Matic, ADA, whatever you want to be seeing, most likely is going to be having some kind of structure like this. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I wanted to share today on AVAX. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.